In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the formula but keep the data or keep the values only. So right now I have applied rand between formula, but if you notice some of the figures here, they are 74, 44 and 42. But even if I make any kind of changes, let's say I just opened this and I didn't even change anything, but when we press enter again, basically the sheet refreshes, and on each refresh, what rand between formula does is it will change all the values against, it will process the formula and then generate the random values again. So that's not what I want. I want to just keep the values and remove the formula in the background. So what we can do is, if you have a lot of data and you don't want to scroll down, you select all the columns which contains the formulas. So I selected from B till F, and then I just copy this or press Ctrl C. As you can see, the selection is made, and after that just right click again and click on paste special, and it asks you what do you want to paste now. I just want to paste the values and not the formulas. Click OK. And now if I check the values or numbers, I only have the numbers. How do I know it? You can check it by just double clicking. You don't have the formula now, and also you can check it on the formula bar. It shows the number directly. So that's how you can remove the formula. One other quick method of doing the same thing is I just press Ctrl Z to undo. Just select all the columns, and on the right hand corner, when you see this arrow signs, just hold it from the right click and just move back. And when you release the mouse, it shows you copy here as values only. I just select that, and it's so much quicker than the earlier method. Let me just show you again undo. You can move a little bit on any side and then drop it again. Just hold the right click, keep it holding, and I don't know if you can notice this, I just swipe it towards my left and then back to the original order. When we release the mouse after that, it shows the options and I choose copy here as values only, and this is the quickest method of pasting the values while removing the formula in Excel. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.